Freedoms of the air. First freedom. Overfly. Right to fly over another country's territory without landing. Example, flying from India to UK over Iran without landing. Second freedom. Technical stop. Right to land in another country for technical reasons, fueling, repairs, without picking up or dropping passengers' cargo. Example, landing in Dubai just for refueling on the way to London. Third freedom. Outbound traffic. Right to carry passengers or cargo from home country to another country. Example, Air India flying passengers from Delhi to Paris. Fourth freedom. Inbound traffic. Right to carry passengers or cargo from a foreign country back to the home country. Example, Lufthansa flying passengers from Mumbai to Frankfurt. Fifth freedom. Foreign hop. Right to pick up and drop passengers between two foreign countries during a flight that originates or ends in the airline's home country. Example, Emirates flight from Dubai to Bangkok to Sydney. Sixth freedom. Hub connect. Right to carry passengers between two foreign countries via the airline's home country. Example, Singapore Airlines carrying passengers from New York to Tokyo via Singapore. Seventh freedom. Without home. Right to operate flights entirely between two foreign countries without touching the airline's home country. Example, Qatar Airways operating a flight between Paris and Madrid. Eighth freedom. Cabotage. Attached. Right to carry passengers within a foreign country as part of an international flight, also called consecutive cabotage. Example, British Airways flying from Paris to Lyon within France as part of an international flight. Ninth freedom. Cabotage. Independent. Right to carry passengers within a foreign country without linking to an international service. Standalone domestic flight, also called standalone cabotage. Example, Emirates operating a domestic flight from Berlin to Frankfurt without touching Dubai. Mnemonic to remember. Over fuel flyback hop hub out in stand. Over, overfly. Fuel, technical stop. Fly, outbound. Back, inbound. Hop, foreign stop. Fifth freedom. Hub, via home country. Out, foreign operation without home. In, domestic attached. Eighth. Stand, standalone domestic. Ninth, 9. Freedoms of the air. Ultra short revision is freedom. Overfly. No landing. Second freedom. Technical landing. Fuel repair. No passenger. Third freedom. Outbound. Home abroad. Fourth freedom. Inbound. Abroad. Home. Fifth freedom. Foreign pickup. Drop. Stop in another country. Sixth freedom. Via home. Connect two foreign places. Seventh freedom. Foreign to foreign. No home involved. Freedom. Domestic. Attached to international. Ninth freedom. Domestic. Stand alone in foreign country. Thank you for watching DKD Education. If you found the video helpful, please like, share and comment below. Also, let us know which topic you would like to see next. Stay curious, stay inspired. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, it comes from what you do consistently.